The best way to withdraw your Fiverr funds is actually by withdrawing to a Pioneer account. But before you withdraw to a Pioneer account, there are some things you must know and note. PayPal is not the best way you can withdraw. I believe you know that, since it is exchanged for lesser value, especially if you're from Nigeria. The amount that they will give you currently now, PayPal is exchanged for 500 or 550 naira per dollar, which is very low compared to Pioneer. Withdraw to Pioneer, but before you can withdraw to Pioneer, you must note that you must have verified your Pioneer, which is compulsory. You must have opened your Pioneer, verify your Pioneer, and if the fund you're transferring for the first time is not up to $1,000, you'll not be able to exchange your Pioneer at higher rate because you'll not be able to do transfer. And the best way to exchange your Pioneer funds is by actually transferring it to people that buys it. Like me, I do buy Pioneer funds, and before you can send to someone like me, you must have earned up to $1,000. So in that way, if you haven't earned up to $1,000, you'll not be able to do transfer. You can only withdraw directly to your bank at lower rate, or you use all this gig pay. You create a gig pay account and you withdraw to the gig pay, and you can now exchange your money from the gig pay. That's a long process, especially if you're just doing it for the first time. It's a long process, and at the end of the day, it's not as the rate is not as high. The money that you get at the end of the day is not as high as if you just transfer the money to another Pioneer account that will buy it from you, like my own. If you are withdrawing your money from Fiverr, this is another way we can do it. You can attach one of my own Pioneer accounts to your Fiverr account, and I'll exchange it at the normal rate, at the black market rate, which is currently, as of today, is $7.20, and it is still going up. And although I will charge a $5 fee for the first time, and after that first time, the rest will be free. On that particular account, it will be free. So you can just let me know if you want to withdraw. You click withdraw, and I'll let you know once I receive it, and I give you the Naira equivalent. And if you are not in Nigeria too, I can send you maybe USDT. So I can send you USDT equivalent of it. So this seems to be the best way to exchange your Fiverr, to withdraw your Fiverr funds. The recap of everything I've said is the best way to withdraw your Fiverr fund is by attaching a Pioneer account that has crossed the 1K threshold. So you'll be able to do Pioneer to Pioneer transfer and sell that fund to people that buy Pioneer, which I can buy it from you. And if you need help with this, you can just contact me through Instagram. Check the link below and contact me. And please subscribe to this YouTube channel.